eyes black as the night. He said he came from North Dakota, wanna take me on a ride. It's why he came to visit me. He said that's just what he does. Met the devil in Oklahoma, and he knew who I was. I've been sitting on the riverbank praying in Jesus' name to come and save my soul. I know time was never on my side, but I've been waiting for forever now, hoping that it comes around and pulls me out of this hole. 'Cause I've run out of places to hide. Shout from the line. He said, I just want to get to know you. Couldn't see through his disguise. Took a step in the wrong direction. He got his hold on me. Met the devil in Oklahoma. It's a tough time getting free. I've been sitting on the riverbank praying in Jesus' name to come